Cooking with Giambattista. First, you go catch the fish.
The catch of the day.
Then you have to clean it. Take out the bits you don't want to eat. And you chop the onion and the tomato.
Cilantro.
Cilantro. What about garlic?
No, if
No
we
garlic.
go with onion, we don't go with garlic.
Oh, only one or the other?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for giving your life for us, Mr. Fish. Thank you for catching him, Giambattista.
Yes. Only because we have to eat. Enough of pleasure.
Yes. Did they put up a fight?
Not the snow. Not that.
Did they swim right onto your
Yeah, I think he
spear?
knew I was there.
Mm.
40 says, okay, my friend. Come.
What's the secret ingredient to make a good meal?
Fresh vegetables, good vegetables,
Mm-hmm.
and actually that's it.
What about love?
Always love.
Yeah.
Love is about everything.
It's the secret ingredient. Oh, it's putting the salt inside. I'm cutting the onions inside. Ooh. What is that?
Rosemary.
Rosemary. Oh, that's gonna be good. Will you grill it or bake it?
We bake it.
Oh.
Okay.
What temperature do you bake it at?
200 degrees.
Celsius?
Yes.
How long do you bake it?
I think you want to take between 30 and 40 minutes.
Okay. Between 30 and 40 minutes. Well, that's our Cooking with Giambattista show. We'll show you the finished product. Just putting a little bit of water in the pan.
Yes. We have a little bit of humidity inside the oven.
Sì,
Sì, aspetta che per scaldare.
Valentina is adjusting the temperature.
Lo scendo.
And we'll put it in and cook it. The fish has come out of the oven. You said it was a snapper?
Yep.
Is that one the snapper?
Both of them. This is a red snapper and this is a snapper, but I
Okay.
don't know how they call it here.
Okay.
Have you seen it tomorrow? Yes, we are done.
Yes, we're done.
c'è troppa aria ancora.
Delicious. What are you gonna do now? Take out the bones?
Yes, I'm gonna clean it. Take out the bones, skin.
Il forno lo spento un po'.
How's the rest, my friend? It's a very tough fish.
Snappy the snapper.
Mi dai un coltellino, amore? Forse?
Lots of little bones. Smells really good. Valentina, you're making the puree.
Patate. Puree di patate.
What else does it have in it? Pepper?
Inside there is pepper, salt, cheese, butter, milk, and this spice that I don't know in English how
Noce
it is.
moscata. I don't know what that is in English either. That's okay.
Come si dice noce moscata?
No idea.
Very
It's fine.
good.
It's fine. It smells and looks great. We have this Chilean Chardonnay. It's delicious. Cooking with Giambattista
And Valentina.
and Valentina.
Allora, dov'è il...
Delicious!
Potete vedere questo bicchiere?
Potato puree, snapper, ready.
Glass, Giambattista. Great. I'll take this one.
Thank you, Valentina and Giambattista. Voila!
Tu, amore, là.
Ta-da!
E di qua.